If you have ever tried to upload PDF to a website for a university application or government form, you have probably seen an error message saying file size exceeds the maximum allowed size or this file is too large to upload. This can be super frustrating, especially when you need to share something quickly. But don't worry, in today's video I'll show you a quick and easy way to resize or reduce your PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. There could be plenty of reasons you need to reduce a PDF file size. First, when submitting assignments, forms, or documents online, websites often have file size restrictions. Second, websites like university portals, government sites, or job portals often have upload limits. A smaller file uploads faster and helps avoid errors. Third, large PDFs can take up too much space on your device or cloud storage. Fourth, large files won't go through email because email services have size limits. And of course, smaller files are much easier to send, share, and manage, especially when working on group projects. So now let's see how you can reduce or resize your PDF file quickly using Systweak PDF Editor. Download and install Systweak PDF Editor on your Windows computer. You can also use the download link in the description below. Once installed, click on Open PDF option and then open the PDF you want to compress. Click on the Tools tab at the top of the screen and select Compress PDF option. Now you will see the option to choose compression level, high, medium, and low. Select the level as per your need. For example, if you select high compression level, it may result in a greater file size reduction but may also affect image and text quality. Once you select the compression level, click on Compress. And that's it, your file will be compressed in a few seconds. You can save it and share it anywhere you want easily. But wait, there is more. This one PDF management tool isn't just for compressing PDFs. It also offers features like merging, splitting, editing text and images, rotating, and password protecting your PDFs. So try this tool and share your feedback in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such helpful videos.